So I'm installing the transmission cooler. This is a do-it-yourself product. I got the power steering cooler off of a Cherokee, a Jeep Cherokee. It's a pretty simple process. You unbolt these so you can run this with some zip ties. And I want it to stand right here behind the grill so it can actually stay cool. And I'm about to run these lines now. Installed. You just have to run one, well, the lines that enter the radiator, they enter on this side, you'll see it at the bottom. Then it comes out right there, and where that hole is at, that hose leads to this one, which sends it through here and it cools. It doesn't matter, there's no direction, and then it comes out from here back to the hose that sends it back to the transmission. Oil cool installed.